Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WeChat Pay login issues, account and security help step by step clearly. First, confirm your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Close WeChat completely from recent apps and open it again to refresh the login session. Check the date and time on your phone and set it to automatic to prevent security token errors. Update WeChat from the App Store or Google Play to ensure you have the latest security fixes. Restart your phone to clear temporary network and cache problems that can block login. Open WeChat. Go to Me, then Settings, then Account Security to review your login status. Tap WeChat Security Center and look for any risk warnings or protection locks on your account. If you forgot your password, tap Login, choose More, then Forgot Password to start recovery. Select Recovery by phone number and request the SMS code. Then enter it carefully. If SMS does not arrive, wait 2 minutes, check signal bars, and request the code again once. Make sure you are using the correct country code and the same phone number linked to the account. If you change your number, use account recovery options and follow the on-screen identity checks. If you see account is protected, complete the security verification like slider or face verification. If verification fails, move to a brighter place, clean the camera lens, and try again. Open your phone settings, find WeChat, and allow camera and photos permissions for verification. Also allow WeChat to use mobile data and background data so security checks can complete. If WeChat Pay specifically is blocked, go to Me, then Services, then Wallet to re-enter pay. Tap the gear icon in Wallet settings and check your real name verification status. If asked, upload a clear ID photo and ensure the name matches your bank account records. Check your bank card details and rebind the card if it was expired, replaced, or reported lost. If you receive a risk control message, stop repeated attempts and wait 24 hours before trying again. Turn off any VPN or proxy because it can trigger unusual login activity and payment security blocks. Clear WeChat cache by going to Settings, then General, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Do not delete chat history unless needed, and avoid clearing data on Android unless you backed up. Enable two-step protection by linking email and turning on login device management and account security. Review logged-in devices and remove any device you do not recognize to secure the account. If you suspect hacking, change your password immediately and enable WeChat Pay payment password. When nothing works, use WeChat Help Center in Settings and submit a ticket with screenshots and your phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.